Stocks. What to make of all this insider selling? Corporate insiders may sell the shares of their company for any number of reasons, but one of them is not because they think the price is going up. In other words, insider selling can serve as a warning. For example, our January 2022 Elliott Wave financial forecast noted only one group is selling. Corporate insiders sold a record $64.5 billion of their firm shares through November 2021. As the December 2021 theorist noted, insiders know what their companies are worth, and they've been selling their heads off. This commentary was published within days of the January 2022 highs in the Dow Industrials and S&P 500. What does all this have to do with today? You guessed it. Insiders are in a selling mood again. Here are just a few prominent examples. In the last 2 months of 2023, Mark Zuckerberg, the executive chairman of Meta Platforms, or Facebook, sold $400 million worth of Meta stock. He then sold another $661 million between January 31st and February 21st. Around this time, on January 20th, Bloomberg noted a total of 1,000 insiders sold their own stock and 128 bought shares, leaving the sell-to-buy ratio poised for the highest monthly reading in data going back to 1988. Then on February 27th, we had this headline from Fortune. The Great Cash Out. Jeff Bezos, Leon Black, Jamie Dimon, and the Walton family have now sold a combined $11 billion in company stock this month. JP Morgan CEO Jamie Dimon and Apollo Global Management co-founder Leon Black sold shares in their companies for the first time ever. The Walton family unloaded $1.5 billion of Walmart shares, and Jeff Bezos sold $8.5 billion of Amazon stock. Also of note are the stock market activities of another very rich person, or shall I say the lack of activities. Warren Buffett of Berkshire Hathaway is holding on to a record-high stockpile of cash, $167.7 billion. The Oracle of Omaha says he sees no candidates for capital deployment. Of course, major corporate insider selling is by no means the only indicator we're closely watching. We're also monitoring the repetitive chart patterns of investor psychology. Learn the details of what we're sharing with subscribers by following the link below this video.